lucky tonight, and not just because my wife's here, but because I just feel like luck is in the air. She hates me now. But, so I wanted to do something that's really based on luck. It's more of a game. You guys ready to play a game? Yeah. Now, this game, many of you may not have played before. I've played it a few times. It's called Russian Roulette. Okay. Now, Russian Roulette, you know the classic plot. They've got a revolver, there's one bullet, you put the bullet in the chamber, you spin it, and then it goes in a circle and somebody doesn't go home a winner. I have to say that. I thought that was dangerous. I thought it was crazy. Not safe for the Chicago Magic Round, so I went with something much, much safer. I got 4 staple guns. Much safer. Now, 3 of these guns are actually not loaded. This is one of them. Doesn't have anything in the chamber. Neither does this one. It's empty, just like some of your drinks. And this one, empty as well. I like that. Oh, that's good. And we've got the board and the paper. This one actually is loaded. Now, if that was any part of my body or any of yours, we would be having a pretty bad day. Let's just say that. So, I want to actually play this game of Russian Roulette with everybody. And let's see if we can get somebody from the audience to help us out here. I think a gentleman would be perfect for this. I like how everybody's going like this. Now, you, sir, what is your name? Me? Yeah. It's Omar. Omar? Great to meet you, Omar. I think you would be perfect for this. Everybody give a hand for Omar. Do you wear glasses or contacts or anything? Contacts. Yeah, do you have them? I do. Okay, good. You never know. So, first of all, I want you to take a good inspected look at the gun. Take a look at it, make sure it's solid. You know, not sort of funny business going on. Cool. Take a look at the staples. Make sure they're not like rubber or baked in any sort of way, kind of sharp. I like your inspectability. Go ahead and place those right there inside of the chamber. Now, this is Omar's first time loading a stapler because he put them upside down. And well, if they shoot out with the back, they don't staple in. If they shoot out with the turns out. Right. Now you know. Yeah, maybe that's what it is. It's subconscious. That gun is loaded, yes? All right, very good. Now here's what's going to happen. I'm going to mix up these guns in a moment, and you'll get your chance to mix them up as well. But we're going to mix them up. You're not going to look. They're going to make sure that you're not peeking. And I'm going to do that right now. So why don't you go and stand right there for us. And why don't you even close your eyes as well. And I'm going to mix up the guns now. Now I have to say, I think it would be much cooler if nobody really followed where this stapled gun is. So I'm going to turn my back a bit. So nobody can follow. Alright, I feel pretty confident about that. Now this will be even more risky if even I don't know where it is. Obviously I was able to track it because I was facing that way. You can open up your eyes. We're going to sort of change places here. You're going to go ahead and mix up the guns. Why don't you just switch 2 of the guns? At least that way I can't follow anything. Just go ahead and mix 2 of them and just switch their spots. And go ahead and step back over here when you've done that. You switched them? You switched them? Okay, he's not messing with me, right? Okay. There's a lot on the line here. Now I'm going to be honest. You're totally safe. Nothing's going to happen to you, okay? But me, I'll be the one that risks here. So I'll have you make the first decision here. Which gun? You're going to pick somebody from the audience. But point your finger. I know it's kind of hard to see, but point to somebody, maybe a lady. Go point to a lady. Be good. Oh, that right there? Is that your lady? That is your lady. Miss, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. A lot on the line here. Name one of those guns at random, and that is the one that we're going to go with. Number 1? Okay. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to pick up that gun and hold it right here against my hand. Alright. Now we're going to do this on the count of 3, okay? On the count of 3. Alright. Are you nervous?
You should be nervous.
I never said I wasn't.
Your wife's nervous.
Yeah, I bet she is. Okay, cool. Alright. She's like, insurance and bills. Okay. She doesn't talk like that. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. That was good. Alright, so we got 2, 3, and 4 left. Let's get another random person to select the gun. This time, why don't we go with a gentleman? Let's point to a random gentleman. Nobody that you know.
Okay. How about you, sir?
Oh, this one right here. Oh, we met earlier. Man. Bet you're excited here. Okay, go ahead and name a random number. I don't know how sadistic you are. So we got 2, 3, and 4. Pick one of those at random. That's the one that we're going to go with.
4.
Now, do you want to change your mind? I'm not trying to influence you here. Do you want to stick with 4? Go and pick up that gun, hold it right here against my hand. Alright. Now there are 3 things you need to remember when you're doing this, okay? 9, 1, 1. Alright, 1, 2, 2.5, 3. Not loaded. You can breathe now. Alright, we've got 2 and 3 left. This one's going to be in your hands. I mean, like, in your choice of hands. We're not going to staple your hand or anything. Whichever one you want to go with, that's the one that we're going to go with. You want to go with 2, or do you want to go with 3?
Let's go with 3.
I'll give you a chance to change your mind. You want to change your mind? Audience, raise your hand if you can change your mind. Go with 2, 1 person. Nobody wants to be responsible here. I don't blame you guys. Okay. You're going to go with 3? Alright, go pick up gun number 3. Hold it right here against my hand. The truth. Yep, go for it. Alright. 1. You know, I got a cool idea. Don't move. Stay right there. Don't move a muscle. Okay? Okay, cool. Let's get this here. We'll do it at the same time. That way there's a little bit more dramatic here. All right. Oh, my hands are full. Why don't you go and hold it right here against my neck? Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3. Cup them together, and I'll get a little souvenir for you. You can go and take those home for us. Thank you so much for helping out. We're giving another hand.